Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform. We're back with another application guide video. In this application guide video, we're going to give you details about the UNDP Graduate Programme 2021. To apply now for this program, click on the link given in the description section and follow the steps in the video to apply for the UNDP Graduate Programme 2021. The United Nations Development Programme has opened applications for the UNDP Graduate Programme. The graduate program is a fully funded 2-year international program to enable students to start their careers in development. The graduate program is an open opportunity for fresh graduates to contribute to UNDP and learn in a highly competitive environment. UNDP aims to contribute sustainable human development, mainly focusing on poverty, democratic governance, education, crisis prevention and recovery, and other areas such as women empowerment. All the selected talented and outstanding graduates will contribute fulfilling UNDP's goals. In this 2-year program, successful applicants will be assigned to one of UNDP's locations, including Bangladesh, Denmark, Maldives, Mongolia, and etc. The candidates will contribute in 2 ways: contribute to project and activities and contribute to management services, support the implementation of policies. It will be a long learning journey for all the candidates. They will get an opportunity to enhance knowledge and experience working along with some of the great minds in a competitive environment. The program is fully funded, so the candidates will receive a competitive salary, traveling expenses will be provided, and not to forget, health insurance will also be provided. Applicants must meet the eligibility criteria to apply for the UNDP Graduate Program. Applicants must be nationals of countries where UNDP is working. Master's degree holders must have less than 1 year of work experience in the related field. Graduate or bachelor students shall have 2 years of work experience, no more than 3 years. Applicants from minority groups, women, and people with special needs are also encouraged to apply. Applicants must be graduated in political science, public administration, international relations, development studies, economics, stats, data management, environmental sciences, and related fields to apply for the program and policy stream. Applicants who want to apply for corporate and operations stream must have graduated one of the following: business, public administration, finance, law, supply chain management, economics, data management, or related fields. Applicants must be proficient in English. For some positions, proficiency in French, Spanish, or Arabic may be required. The benefits of the UNDP Graduate Program: health insurance will be provided. UNDP will provide a competitive salary, paid annual leave and paid sick leaves, ticket to travel between home country and duty stations. 1-year international entry-level contract can be renewed on demonstrating exemplary performance. To apply for the UNDP Graduate Program, click on the Apply Now button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on the Apply Now button, you will be redirected to the UNDP login page. If this is your first time using the system, please click the Register button to create your account. Click on Register. To sign up, you have to add in your first name, your last name, your email address, and a password, and then you have to tick the privacy policy. And then click on Sign Up. After signing up, you will be redirected to this page. You have to click on Application Form 1. I confirm that the information I will provide is correct and to the best of my knowledge and belief. Click on Next. This is your initial information. Are you or a sibling the first member of your family to attend college or university? Your gender. Are you a national of one of the following countries? Select your national country. And after answering, click on Complete. After filling in the application form, the next step is the eligibility questionnaire. Question number 1 is: do you hold either of the below combination of degree and work experience? A master's degree is from 0 up to 1 year of post-master's work experience. Should you have a master's degree but no work experience, please tick yes. A bachelor's degree with minimum 2 years of paid full-time relevant work experience and maximum 3 years of work experience in total. Select yes or no. Question number 2: we are recruiting for 2 tracks. Please review the educational requirement below, or please state yes if you meet the requirements of your desired track. Program and policy track, corporate operations. Select yes or no. Question number 3: have you gained at least one of your degrees, bachelor's or master's degree, from one of the countries on the UNDP list? Please note we require a degree from one of these countries to ensure eligibility for the program. Yes or no. You can check the country list by clicking on Country List. This is the list of countries from which you must have obtained a degree, either your master's or your bachelor's degree. Question number 4. Are you proficient in English to a business level? Question number 5. Have you ever been convicted, fined, or imprisoned for the violation of any law? Question number 6. Are you a national of one of the following countries? Check the country list and then select yes or no. And after answering these questions, click on Complete. After filling in the eligibility review, you have to fill in the application form number 2. Click on Next. Your family name, your first name, your date of birth, your place of birth, and your nationality at birth. You have to list all your current nationalities if you have more than one. Do you belong to an indigenous peoples group? Your gender, your marital status. Entry into United Nations service might require assignment and travel to any area of the world in which the United Nations has responsibilities. Your permanent address, your home or mobile number, your work phone number, personal or professional email address. Have you taken up legal permanent resident status in any country other than that of your nationality? And have you taken any steps towards changing your present nationality? Are you, of your family members, employed in the UN Common System including UNDP? Do you have any other family member employed in UNDP? Would you accept employment for less than 6 months? Have you been interviewed for any UNDP positions in the last 12 months? Do you consider yourself to have a disability? Click on Next section after answering all these questions. And you have to give details about your educational information. Please list all educational institutions attended including secondary school and diplomas or degree equivalent, qualifications obtained. Please use the space below to outline the following: title of study, educational institution of the study, and your country of study. Entry 1. Please select the date you started this course. Please select the date you completed this course. Please use the space below to outline the following: name of degree, diplomas obtained, main course of study and format of study. Was it in person learning or online or remote learning? Do you have an additional qualification you wish to list? Yes or no? Post-qualification training and learning activities. This is not compulsory. You can add this if you have any post-qualification trainings. Please use the space below to list membership of professional societies and activities in civic, public, or international affairs that you hold. Please state not applicable if you do not hold any memberships. Have you already been issued a UN index number? After answering these questions, click on Next section. Then you have to give information about your employment record, your present post, last post if not presently employed, start date of this post, end date of this post. Please outline the salaries per annum for this post, ensuring you specify the currency. Please outline the UN grade of your post. Please provide the name of the employer. Please confirm the address of the employer. Please outline the employment type of this post. Please outline the type of contract for this post. Please provide the email address and telephone number of the supervisor for this post. Do you supervise staff in this post? Please provide a description of your duties and related accomplishments in this post. Please provide your reason for leaving this post. Do you have a previous post you wish to list? Have you any objections to making inquiries of your present employer? Have you any objections to making inquiries of your previous employers? Are you now or have you ever been a civil servant in your government? List 3 persons not related to you who are familiar with your character and qualifications and who may be contacted for a reference. UNDP will not seek a reference from your current employer without obtaining prior consent. However, please note that UNDP may seek references from your former employers. Please provide the details of your first reference below, ensuring you include full name, full address, email address, telephone number, name of organization, business, or occupation. Please provide details of your second reference, and please provide the details of your third reference. Please state any other relevant facts in support of your application. Include information regarding any periods of residence outside of the country of your nationality. Have you ever been convicted, fined, or imprisoned for the violation of any law? Have you ever had disciplinary measures imposed on you, including dismissal or separation from service on the grounds of misconduct? Have you ever been separated from services on the grounds of unsatisfactory performance? After answering these questions, click on Next section. After filling in the previous form, you have to submit the declaration. Do you accept the above statement? Click on Yes or No, and then click on Complete. After filling in the application form number 2, the next step is the online immersive assessment. Then it is reasonable accommodation, work simulation, and virtual assessment center. You will be notified about the following steps in a few days after you have filled in your application forms. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up